Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Myself Rekhamani Sharma. I am a student of Tezpur University. I am a third semester and Department of Education. Today I am going to discuss about a vocational course program which is developed by me. This course is based on local need of our area. The name of this program is citrus fruit farming. Citrus fruit farming plays an essential role in generating employment opportunities for the rural area masses. This one-year citrus fruit farming course consists of theory and internship practical components and is intended to provide youth self-confidence and a new avenue to the future. This program is designated for those who are willing to make their career in the agriculture sector. Through this program, interested people could gain proper knowledge about cultivation and its various scientific ways. This course gives a way to attract the youth towards cultivation. After completing this course, learners will acquire the competencies to cultivate citrus fruit in a proper way, because this one-year course includes all the necessary elements, steps and method of cultivation. And also this course will help the pupils to understand the use of modern technologies through which they can develop the productivity of these fruits, and they can also get the various opportunities through which they can be self-dependent as well as help in the economic development of the area. The main objective of this course is to improve citrus cultivation and to overcome the difficulties faced by the citrus growers. The other objective of the program is intended to the first is to develop knowledge and skills in citrus fruit farming. Second is to develop the skill of training in self-employment and creating awareness and competency in citrus fruit farming. The third is to acquire the information about advanced citrus fruit production system for sustainable economic production of this crop. The fourth is to impart basic knowledge and technical proficiency in post-harvest management, quality control and marketing. The last objective is to provide nutritional and economic security and also empowerment of the farmers, farm women and rural youth. Now we discuss the details of the program. 1 year citrus fruit farming. The name of the program is 1 year citrus fruit farming. The second point is eligibility for admission, that is 10th pass. The third is nature of the program, that is vocational course. The fourth is number of student, that is 46. Fifth is duration of the program, that is 1 year 2 semester. The sixth point is program fees 4,000. Seventh is admission procedure, admission on the basis of entrance exam. Eighth is mode of transaction of the curriculum, for transaction the curriculum and for providing adequate learning experiences, the modes usually adopted by the institution. These include the following points: there is group activity, tutorial classes, audio video lecture, teleconferencing, practical lecture come discussion class of 1 hour duration, written assignment, etc. The ninth is mode of the assessment and evaluation. The institution has a systematic manner of continuous assessment as following. First is practical work, second is project work, third is written assignment, fourth is writing of end-term paper. The 10th point is passing mark, that is if a candidate secure 30% or above, he or she will be declared to have passed the certificate course. Now here I discuss the structure of the program. The total credit is 20. In first semester, here 4 papers include. The first paper is paper code CFF 101, Course title Introduction to Citrus Fruit Farming, Credit 3. The second paper is course code CFF102, Production of Citrus Fruit Farming and Marketing, Credit 4. The third paper is course code CFF103, course title Use of Technology in Citrus Fruit Farming, Credit 4. The fourth paper is course code CFF104, course title Citrus Fruit Farming in India, and credit 3. Total credit is 14. The second semester, here only one paper is here. First is that is course code CFF201, course title Practical, credit 6. In second semester, total credit 6. Semester wise distribution of credits: first semester contains 14 credit, second semester contains 6 credit. Total credit is 20. In first semester, the first paper is course code CFF101, paper title Introduction to Citrus Fruit Farming. Here course objective is to enable the students to understand the basic concept of citrus fruit farming, to enable to know the various species of citrus fruit, and to enable the students to understand the concept of citrus fruit farming. Here the first unit is Introduction to Citrus Fruit. This unit include 3 subunits. That is, first is meaning and concept of citrus fruit, second is nature and scope of citrus fruit, third is history of citrus fruit. The second unit is agriculture of citrus fruit. This unit include 2 subunits. First is Introduction to Citriculture, second is Species of Citrus Fruit. The third unit is component required for citrus fruit farming. Here first subunit is climate, second is soil, third is land preparation, fourth is seed harvesting, fifth is plant density, and sixth is planting citrus trees. The fourth unit is biological aspects of citriculture. Here fourth sub-point is include: first is the root system, second is shoots, stems and leaves, third is flowering and fruiting, fourth is breeding and genetic improvement. The second paper is paper code CFF102, paper title Production of Citrus Fruit Farming and Marketing. The course objectives are: first is to enable the students to understand the knowledge of production of citrus fruit farming and marketing. Second is to know various diseases of citrus fruit and its measures. The first unit is method of citrus fruit production. Here the first subpoint is farming system and sustainable agriculture. Second is principle of organic farming. Third is production of fruit improvement and pruning. Fourth is planting techniques, fertilizer applications. And last is irrigation and measuring water availability to plants. The second unit is citrus propagation. Here first subpoint is propagation option. Second is grafting. Third is budding techniques. Fourth is growing from cutting, and last is growing from seeds. The third unit is challenges of citrus fruit farming. The first subpoint is disease of citrus. Second is pest of citrus. Third is management of disease and pest. Fourth is caring of citrus plants. The fourth unit is citrus fruit farming and marketing. Here first subpoint is market of citrus fruit farming. Second is demand, supply and producers surplus of citrus fruit commodities. Third is nature and determinants of demand and supply of farm products. Fourth is packing house operations, raw materials, transport and location of packing house. The third paper is paper code CFF 103, paper title Use of Technology in Citrus Fruit Farming. Here the course objectives are to enable to understand the basic knowledge of technology and to gain the knowledge and skill of use of modern technology. Here the first unit is Introduction to Technology. This unit includes third sub-unit. First is meaning, concept and scope of technology. Second is significance of technology. And third is technology and agriculture. The second unit is productivity of citrus fruit farming and technology. Here the first sub-unit is Introduction to Modern Technology. Second is importance of technology in citriculture. Third is application of modern technologies. Fourth is impact of modern technology in citrus fruit farming. The third unit is techniques of modern technologies in citriculture. Here the first subunit is use of HIV seeds. Second is use of fertilizer. Third is scientific research and training in citriculture. Fourth is drip irrigation. And fifth is improving quality and efficiency of citrus fruit production through new technologies. Here the 4 unit is technological challenges and prospects in citrus fruit farming. Here the first sub-unit is problems facing in developing countries. Second is strengthening the production of citrus fruits. The fourth paper is paper title Citrus Fruit Farming in India and paper code CFF 104. Here the course objectives are: first is to acquire the knowledge of production of citrus fruit farming in local context. The second is to acquire the knowledge of challenges of citrus fruit farming and probable measures. Here the first unit is Introduction to Citrus Fruit Farming in India. First subunit is History of Citrus Fruit Farming. Second is Importance of Citrus Fruit in India. And third is Demand, Supply and Producers Surplus of Agri Commodities in India. The second unit is Production of Citrus Fruit in India. Here the first subunit is Types of Citrus Fruits. Second is Factors Affecting Citrus Fruit Production and Quality. Third is Major Areas of Citrus Fruit Production. And fourth is Farming System. The third unit is Production of Citrus Fruit in Assam. Here the first subunit is Types of Citrus Varieties of Assam. Second is Challenges and Difficulties Faced by Citrus Growers in Assam. The fourth unit is Technology and Citrus Fruit Farming in India. Here the first subunit is Agriculture and Technology in India. Second is Current Status of Modern Technology in Indian Agriculture. Third is Application of Modern Technology. And fourth is Role of Technology in Citrus Fruit Farming. The fifth unit is Challenges and Probable Measures of Modern Technologies in Indian Citrus Fruit Farming. First subunit is Limitation of Modern Technology in Indian Citrus Fruit Farming. Second is Challenges in Production and Trade. And third is Strategic Planning to Increase Productivity of Citrus Fruit Farming. These are the papers of semester 1 and the semester 2. Here is only one paper, that is practical paper, and paper code is CFF 201. The objective of this paper is to acquire the theoretical knowledge in practical way. Here are many practical work are included. That is, first is practical work on land preparation, second is practical work on soil testing, third is practical work on seed harvesting, fourth is practical work on grafting, fifth is practical work on budding techniques, sixth is practical work on growing from cutting citrus trees, and seventh is practical work on modern technology, and eighth is management of disease and pest. Here here is also internship is include. The course objective of the internship is to provide a place where one person can able to use his or her skill and to develop professional attributes in farming. Internship time 3 months, and internship place Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat, Assam, pin 785013. Thank you everyone for your patience.